Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Explore with Muniraj, and in our previous video we have discussed about the reversing a number, and in this video we are going to discuss about to print to check either enter number is a palindrome or not. Here we need to write the program for to check either number is palindrome or not. Actually this is the code for the reversing number. If you do not see the my previous video, please check out this. If you understand the program, now you are going to do this very well. Now the palindrome mean that actually a palindrome means when we reverse a number it equal to the given number. When we reverse a number it is equal to given number. Okay, that is the actually a palindrome. Like an example, consider an example that user entered 1 to 1. So what is the reverse of this number gives 1 to 1, so it is considered as a palindrome. If user entered like 1 to 123, and when we reverse the number, what do we get? 3 to 1. So it is not a palindrome. Palindrome means when we reverse a number we get the same number, that is said to be palindrome. Consider a string. User entered a string called madam. So user entered a string called madam. If we reverse it, we again get a madam. That is what the palindrome mean. So reversing a number get the same number is said to be a palindrome. Now let's write a code for the to check whether enter a number is a palindrome or not. Actually in our previous video we have discussed about reversing a number. So this is the code for the actual reversing a number. Now we have to check either a number is palindrome or not. How? As we said that the reversed number is equals to the original number, then it's a palindrome. Now here we have to use the conditional statements. If the reversed number double is equals to temporary variable, then here we are going to print it is a palindrome. What we said that palindrome means the reversed number is equals to the original number. Whereas if the reversed number is not equals to the original number, then we are going to print it is not a palindrome. Not a palindrome. In this format, we are going to check that. Now let's run this program. What does we get as a output? Let's see, and let's run this program. What we get as a output? So as I said that you used temporary variable. Why? Because so what is the use of this using this temporary variable? Actually, when you go through this program with the test case, from here you get finally num updated to 0. Okay, finally you get num updated to 0. To avoid that, here we using the temporary variable. Now let's try with the test case. I will explain. Here enter a number. Let's suppose enter a number 121. So the reverse is nothing but a 121 and it is a palindrome. Let us print in a clear way. F. So the reverse of temp is and we are going to run this. It asks that enter a number. Let us enter 123 and it gives that the reverse of 123 is 3 to 1. It is not a palindrome. So in that format we are going to print the palindrome. So but I said that we use the temporary variable. Why? Because after this condition, when we print num, updated value of number, the updated value of num is. So let us print this and let's see what does we get as a output. Okay, that is the reason why we use the temp here. It has that enter a number. Let us enter a number 222, where the enter a number is 222 and the updated value of num is 0. Actually user enter number is 222, but y is updated to 0. From this condition, after the loop execution, finally num becomes 0. and the reverse of triple two is triple two, and it is a palindrome. When we compare that, in place of temp, when we use this num, where num is updated to 0 and reverse is equals to 0, the condition false. That is the reason why we use the temporary variable to store that num. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please go through the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.